we are welcoming you all to the QCC 2024, and we are from Synovia Pharma PLC. Before starting, let's go with an intro video.
Good day, mates. Water, the essence of life, is running scarce around the globe. With over 2 billion people lacking access to clean water, the global water crisis is real. From droughts to pollution, our precious resource is under threat. It's time to act, conserve water, and protect our planet. Let's make a splash and save our most valuable asset before it's too late.
So let me introduce you to our teammates. I am Sharial.
I am Ali Fajar Franto.
I am Mohammad Arafat Rahman.
I am Marisha bin Mohuna, and our facilitator is Shafat Ahmed.
So our team name and our slogan. We are from the team Pathfinder, and the name of our slogan is Try to Achieve. So a brief history and introduction about Synovia Pharma PLC.
Synovia Pharma Limited was renamed as Synovia Pharma PLC on 2022 after majority percent share acquisition by Mexico Pharmaceutical Limited.
Synovia Bangladesh Limited started its operation in 1958 as main baker. After a number of merger and acquisition, we are now Synovia Pharma PLC.
Synovia Pharma has its state-of-the-art PICS accredited manufacturing facilities with 25 acres of land, which continuing manufacturing and distribution of the Sanofi product as well as the extended portfolio of new product line.
So let's dive into our beautiful factory premises. So our circle information. What's the name of our circle?
Pathfinder.
When did you form?
26 November 2023,
Which department?
Manufacturing,
When do we meet?
Every Sunday.
What's the time?
11:30 a.m.
How much is the duration?
30 minutes.
And how much meeting so far?
22.
And we have completed one successful project. So here's an overview of our meeting attendance records so far, and we have achieved a meeting attendance of
95%.
So dear audience, you can see the current project summary and the previous project overview. So what is the current project summary?
Optimization of water consumption by 48.5% in rotary bottle washing machine by reducing hot and purified water flow.
And what was our previous project's overview?
Reduction of changeover time in CMP4 tablet compression machine by 14% after introduction of pneumatic screwdriver by December 2022.
So here you can see our team achievement, and in the last QCC we have achieved Platinum Award, and also in our factory we also achieved Innovation Excellence Award. So our team has used the problem solving tools and techniques which are brainstorming,
For problem identification.
matrix,
For problem selection,
pie chart,
For graphical analysis of problem.
wishbone analysis,
For cause and effect detection.
Pareto diagram,
for statistical and graphical research,
5W and 1H,
For solution discovery.
and lastly Gantt chart.
For project timeline management.
Here you can see the PDCA cycle where P stands for plan, D for do, C for check, and A for act, where in the plan stage we did activities such as
Problem identification, problem prioritization, problem analysis, root cause analysis, and the graphical and stat analysis.
and in the do stage we did activities such as
we tested the change and carried out a small scale study.
in the check stage we did activities such as
Review the test, analyze the result, and identify the learning.
in the X stage we did activities such as based on learning from the study steps and implementation of the feasibility system. Here we did brainstorming of our team with potential problem identification which are
Multi-dimensional filter use in sterile operations.
High water consumption at bottle washing machine,
High labor involvement in injection combi pack.
powder addition in fill bottles of PFS filling machine,
Under utilization of hot air depolarization oven. For prioritize our problem, we use priority matrix by considering cost, feasibility, and the importance. Where cost is high,
priority is low,
where feasibility is low,
Priority is high.
where importance is low.
priority is high.
After prioritization, we have selected 5 problems, and among of them, high water consumption at bottle washing machine got more scores, and the score is 14. Now, dear audience, do you know what is global water crisis? According to United Nations World Development Report, 2.2 billion people have no access to clean drinking water.
According to Bangladesh Water Development Board, currently the groundwater level is at 75 meter, which will further decline to 150 meter by 2050.
Now the problem details. Bottle washing is carried out for remove dust and particles from the bottles which use PFS operation, and the large amount of water are daily extracted from underground water layer by borewell. And hot water, purified water and the compressor are required to wash the bottles. So as a result, a massive amount of water wastage takes place in bottle washing operations. Now this is the bottle washing machine diagram. At first, compressed air is purged at the station number 5 to deduct the bottle surface.
At station number 8 and 9, hot water is used to clean the bottles both from outside and inside.
At station number 11 and 12, purified water is used to clean the both inside and outside of the bottles.
At station number 15, we purge compressed air to remove residual surface water.
Now dear audience, let's watch how bottle washing operation takes place.
This is the opening of hot water. This is the opening of purified water. Opening of compressed air. Loading and unloading of bottles.
This is the fishbone diagram. Fishbone diagram is used for identification cause and effect, and our team have identified the potential factors which are contributing to high water consumption at bottle washing machine. And in the instrument segment, the contributing factors are defective valve or meters, nozzle size, and the lack of tools.
In machine section, high water pressure, machine setting and number of stations are the contributing factors.
In the method, multiple steps, inadequate training and cleaning are the contributing factors.
In the material segment, we have the bottle size, machine capacity, and all equipment are contributing factor.
In the manpower segment, the contributing factors are unskilled operator, lack of manpower, and the lack of awareness.
In the management section, spillage, supply line leakage and not recycling are the contributing factors. After identification of the potential root causes, we selected 5 major problems which are mainly causing high water spillage or high water wastage at bottle washing machine. Taking into account all those 5 major root causes, we performed Pareto data analysis, and from Pareto chart it is clearly visible that if we work on high valve pressure, then 80% of our problem will be solved. From the pie chart, you can also see that high water pressure is causing 80% of the water loss at bottle washing machine in penicillin section. We performed 5W1S analysis to discover the solution. Where is the problem?
Rotary bottle washing machine.
Why it is a problem?
It's high water pressure.
What to do?
Reduce water consumption.
Who is responsible? Team
Pathfinder.
When
By March 2024.
and how?
By valve pressure optimization.
This is the project approval letter. During startup of our project, we took approval from our manufacturing head, and throughout the course of our QCC project, we were always patronized by him. This is the initial Gantt chart we set to track our activities. Our project started on
November 23.
and our stipulated timeline was
March 24.
These are the background data we extracted from our log books. Within the period of June to December 2023, a total of 108 number of PFS batches have been produced in penicillin section, and total 1.1 million bottles have been washed. Per bottle hot water requirement is
513 ml.
and total hot water requirement is
567 kL.
per bottle purified water requirement is
257 ml.
and total purified water requirement is
284 K-liter.
within the period of June to December 2023 in penicillin section at bottle washing machine we have used total 851 K liter of water, which is a massive amount. So how to reduce the water consumption? We devised a technique to reduce the valve pressure. We reduced the hot water valve pressure from 4 to 2 kgf per centimeter square, and for purified water the same was reduced from 2 to 1 kgf per centimeter square, and the result was quite significant. Previously, hot water requirement for washing on single bottle was 513 milliliter, which is reduced to
262 ml.
whereas previously the purified water requirement to wash a single bottle was 257 ml, which is reduced to
125 ml.
So after implementation of our project within the period of January to March 2024, we can see that the water consumption has reduced drastically. If the machine had been running at previous pressure, the hot water consumption would have been 315 K liter, which is reduced to
161 K-liter.
if the machine had been running at previous pressure, the purified water consumption would have been 158 K liter, which is reduced to
83 K-liter.
So after implementation of our project, we can see that we have additional 2 to 9 K liter of water which can be directed to other areas for different purposes.
This is the before and after comparison in terms of 615K bottles. In terms of purified water, after reduction of the water flow, the water consumption reduced by 48%. In terms of hot water, after reduction of the pressure, the water consumption reduced by 49%. Before implementation of this project, we have performed floor level trial and training. As we perform the training of the correspondent operators. This is the standardization of this project. We have performed operational standard work and we affix this standard procedure to the machine so that the operator can fix the pressure accordingly. And we also perform the training of the corresponding operator. We revise the SOP for set the hot water and purified water pressure, and we perform the requalification of the bottle washing machine according to the new pressure. This is the final Gantt chart. As you know, we started our project at November 2023 and we successfully completed our project by March 2024. This is the target versus achievement. Initially, we set our target at 60%. And team, how much we achieved?
49%.
Which is a very remarkable achievement. This is the savings from January to March 2024. In terms of hot water, the consumption reduction is by 154K liter. And team, how much we saved?
26K.
And in terms of purified water, we have consumption reduction to 75K liter. And team, how much we saved?
65K.
And total savings is 91K BDT. And in terms of water, it is approximately 60,000 gallons of water. We already roll out this project at other areas like cephalosporin areas, and we perform training and floor level trial of that area. The projected savings up to December 2024 for penicillin area, only penicillin area, it is 366K BDT. After rollout of this project at cephalosporin area up to December 2024, the additional savings will be 309K BDT. And team, how much we invested?
Zero.
The project impacts in terms of tangible benefits, which are how much carbon emission reduced,
358 kilogram.
how much power consumption reduced,
326 kilowatt hour.
how much money we saved,
91K BDT.
and what is improved,
Water redistribution capacity.
and what is increased,
Filter shed life.
and how much ETP load is reduced.
76K liter.
In terms of intangible benefits, which are
Environmental improvement.
Electricity conservation.
National water resource conservation.
and greenhouse effect minimization. In terms of intangible benefit on employee, which are
Leadership development.
Safe workplace.
Group engagement.
employee satisfaction. We have received appreciation letter from our site management to implement this project. In conclusion, Team Pathfinder has successfully reduced the water consumption by
49%.
and which projected monetary savings is
675K.
and which has a contribute to environmental
Conservation.
This is not the end. We will continue our project with the next highest scoring problem, which is high labor involvement in injection Combipack. Thank you all for your patience and time. Now we would like to sign off from our presentation with the slogan of Strive to
Achieve. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Very, very nice presentation with excellent result. 49% achievement. You reduce the water consumption. Okay. Very good. একটা কথা আসছে এখানে যে জিরো ইনভেস্টমেন্ট আপনাদের কোনো খরচ হয়নি শিওর কিভাবে প্রুভ করবেন যে কোনো খরচ হয়নি
Sir,
ধরেন আমি আপনাকে এক্সাম্পল দেবো আপনি ট্রেনিং করাইছেন ট্রেনিং ছিল না ট্রেনিং কোনো খরচ হয়নি
ট্রেনিংটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি যখন আমাদের হয় তখন আমাদের ফ্লোর লেভেলে শিডিউল ট্রেনিং থাকে। আমাদের ফার্মাসিউটিক্যালগুলোতে সবসময় একটা ট্রেনিংয়ের প্ল্যান থাকে। কোনো কিছু ইমপ্লিমেন্ট করতে গেলে সবসময় ওই ট্রেনিং প্ল্যান অনুযায়ী আমাদেরকে করতে হয়।
কোনো এক্সপেন্স নাই
No, it expensive.
Any,
Sure.
so any type of changes through training we do this implementation.
ট্রেনিং মানে হচ্ছে কিছু না কিছু এক্সপেন্স থাকবে সেটা হয়তো আপনারা ওইভাবে খেয়াল করেন নাই কিন্তু ট্রেনিং মানে কিছু না কিছু এক্সপেন্স আছে ঠিক আছে জিরো বাজেট এরকম সরাসরি না বলে কিছু এক্সপেন্স দেখানো যেতে পারতো, কোনো সমস্যা নেই এটা, ঠিক আছে। আরেকটা ব্যাপার হলো যে আমি ম্যাক্সিমাম প্রেজেন্টেশনের ক্ষেত্রে দেখলাম জ্ঞান চার্টে যে প্ল্যান করেছে সে অনুযায়ী কাজ হয়েছে। ইজ ইট ট্রু? সব শুধু আপনি দেন না, আমি ম্যাক্সিমাম দেখেছি এটা আর কি প্রেজেন্টেশনে। চার্ট যেটা করেছে, প্ল্যান যেটা করেছে, সে অ্যাসেসমেন্ট সেইভাবে ইমপ্লিমেন্টেশন হয়েছে। ইজ ইট ট্রু? না আপনাকে আমি চ্যালেঞ্জ করছি, সবার জন্য বলতেছি, এটা কি ট্রু?
ট্রু ট্রু
সব প্ল্যান অনুযায়ী হয়ে যায়, সব প্রজেক্ট সব স্টেজে শেষ হয়ে যায় ঠিক সময়?
ঠিক সময় হয় না।
আমি আজকে দেখেছি ম্যাক্সিমাম প্রেজেন্টেশনে দেখেছি যে প্ল্যান করেছে তো করেছে, ওই ডেটে শেষ হয়েছে। এটা করা মানে হচ্ছে যে ম্যানিপুলেশন এক ধরনের আর কি। যদি হয়ে থাকে সেটা স্বীকার করবো আমি, সমস্যাটা কি? এটা আমি প্ল্যান করেছি হয়।
এখানে আমি কিছু অ্যাড করতে চাই। আমাদের প্রজেক্ট যদি শর্ট টার্ম হয়, এটা খুবই ফলো আপ আর ম্যানেজ করা সম্ভব। এটা যদি 9 মান্থস 10 মান্থস 12 মান্থস হয়, তখন একটু ডেভিয়েশনের সম্ভাবনা রয়েছে।
ধরেন আমরা 3 মাসে আমি যেভাবে প্ল্যান করলাম, মনে করেন সেটা আগস্ট থেকে সেরকম থাকবে না, খুব স্বাভাবিক কারণে সেই প্ল্যানটা থাকবে না। কোনো না কোনো অফিসে কোনো প্রবলেম থাকবে, সেটাকে সলভ করতে হবে আগে, কিছু প্রায়োরিটি থাকে, কেউ ছুটিতে থাকবে, অতএব কিছু না কিছু গ্যাপ থাকার কথা। কিন্তু জ্ঞান ছাড়া দেখতেছি এটা কিন্তু এক ধরনের ইন্ডিকেশন যে আমরা কিন্তু কিছু কিছু জায়গায় ম্যানিপুলেট করছি প্রেজেন্টেশনের স্বার্থে আর কি। কিন্তু এটা তাও সবাইকে বোঝা উচিত যে কিছু কিছু জায়গায় চেঞ্জ হতেই পারে, রাইট? শুধু আপনাদের বলছি, আমি ম্যাক্সিমাম প্রেজেন্টেশন সেরে দেখেছি। আমি এই জন্য ট্র্যাক করতেছিলাম যে আসলে কি ব্যাপারটা কি এটা। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।